Right now we have a Windows 10 Docker 1 VM on our Azure platform, and we are going to customize our network security groups for this virtual machine. So for that purpose we need to click on the networking option, and inside the networking option here you can see I have a rule which has a priority of 300 with the name of RDP, and port is 3389, protocol is TCP. So right now if I want to make a remote desktop session for this machine, so it will allow me because I have already created this rule, and if you want to verify it here I have already selected the allow option. So let's make a remote desktop session for this virtual machine, and here we go. When I put this IP address over here, here you can see I can make the session with this virtual machine. When I put the password, I will be connected with this virtual machine, and here we go. Here you can see. So the process is really simple. Right now if I want to select the deny option, so the process is really simple. So I just click on the deny option, and over here save the setting. When I click on the save button, so it's updating my security rule for RDP, and when this process is completed then I'll go and verify the remote desktop session again. So let's disconnect it and make it again. So here again I open the remote desktop session, I put the IP address, and here we go. Now you can see this virtual machine is now totally denying remote desktop session, because inside the network security group we just select the deny option. So here you can see now if I click on the same rule and I allow again and save the settings, now after updating the security rule I will be able to connect this virtual machine with remote desktop session as well. So move again, type the IP address of this virtual machine, and here we go. So I think it will take a few moments to update the policy, so just need to refresh it, and then we will go and type the IP address, and here we go. Now you can see I am again able to connect this virtual machine via remote desktop session. And if I want to customize more, here you can see right now I have selected in the source side anyone can connect with this virtual machine by using remote desktop session. So if I want to restrict or if I want to filter remote desktop sessions on behalf of my IP addresses, so I can perform this action as well. So over here I just put the IP address or any specific ranges, and after this only that specific virtual machine will be connected, or any specific on-prem desktop or laptop will be connected via remote desktop session with this virtual machine. So let's move forward and customize our firewall rules or our network security group rules on behalf of IP addresses. So let's move now.